Hello folks, oh, I just shut the windows.
Yeah, well.
We've been going on for weeks and weeks, this loft conversion over the way. Right, okay, I've just done this for Patreon. It was a quickie, it's an on and off cut. It was really practising Turner-esque skies, really. There's loads of reference to it. I haven't copied anything, it's my colour with limited palette. I think there are only 3-4 colours, or 3 colours plus Payne's Grey in that. So it's just a wild night on the way home. If it ever gets home. That's all I can say about it, really. I've been talking about shapes, painting shapes rather than objects that can be named. I've made the sky dark at the top. I can probably pull it up a bit. But anyway, that's the only amount I've got that I can put around it just to display it. There's lovely to do skies. You can move that over there a bit. So that bit is in the picture aperture. I'm not a great painter of seas, I must admit. I don't do many of them because I don't live near the sea. But anyway, I hope you like this one. It's the sky more than anything else. I thought I'd put the little boat underneath it, racing home. That's it. We've had loads and loads of rain since about, I don't know, 4 o'clock this morning. When I woke up about 5 to pitter patter. That was really coming down. We haven't had any rain for ages in London or in England. It's been a sort of a drought condition, but it certainly came down. It's still going on. It's 12 o'clock now, midday, so it's been raining for at least 8 hours, 9 hours. But boy, we do need it. But we haven't got a hose pipe pattern where I live because the water comes from aquifers, and there's plenty of water in those. But a lot of people are facing hose pipe bans, so they won't be able to use a hose pipe to spray their beans, their run beans and their allotments. And shame, you know, so much of our water is just wasted because it's never put right. They never. They fix the leaks, but that's about all. The leaks when they actually come up to the surface, but they lose billions of litres of water a year. Well, that's a little rant, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you like that one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.